Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins on another episode. And on this episode, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu being scooped up and gobbled up whole by whales at an alarming rate. So before I get into that, please smash that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It helps grow the channel. So, all right. So here's the news. Shiba Inu could break out after whales buy millions of dollars worth of sheep. And I think it's actually billions of dollars if you count all of the, because it keeps happening over and over again. So one Ethereum whale spent 1.2 million on accumulating 49 billion SHIB tokens. Shiba Inu token can be purchased at 4,000 ATMs across the US and Brazil. Brazil loves it, by the way. Brazil is one of the countries where it's very common on all of their exchanges, one of their top cryptos. SHIB is ranked top 10 trending coins in Asia for the first 2 weeks of October 2021. And with 637,366 mentions on crypto Twitter, SHIB mentions second in social dominance in the past week. So this is very exciting. Its accumulation by whales continues as the meme coin. I don't like when they call it a meme coin because there's more than that, but it prepares to break out. A lot of people still call it a Dogecoin killer. It's trending on social media, second to Bitcoin in popularity. And see, the thing about Bitcoin is when you talk about Bitcoin, you're talking about it with the top, like you're talking about it with CNBC, all this. I don't even make that many Bitcoin videos because they never do well, because the top in the rankings, I'm competing with Fox News and CNBC and CNN and stuff. But this is the coin of the people. And the thing about it is the market cap's much lower. So a couple whales can make it really budge. I mean, you know, if one whale wanted to invest a couple 100 million in it, they could make the price go up instantly. So that's the beauty of Shiba Inu. And we're expecting 100% gains in SHIB price as whales continue accumulating. So as we see more of these whales continue to buy it, we are looking at 100% from where we're at right now. So I know some people say it's risky, but you know, like, okay, say it loses 30% of its value. That's the risk you got to take for it to go up a couple 100%, which is very possible. And you know, like, let's just skip to here where it says CoinCloud is considered the world's largest network of two-way digital currency machines with 4,000 ATMs across the US and Brazil. The ATM now supports SHIB. So you can buy it at an ATM now. Like every day you hear some news of this happening. I made a video the other day about their burning. They have more plans to continually systematically burn coins. Just to cover that real quick again, like they want to make it so that if you buy something, 3% of the purchase price of SHIB is automatically burned. I don't know like too much of the details of that, but you know, say you spent say like $1 trillion got spent, and you might say, well, that's not possible. Think about how much money gets spent. You know, if SHIB took over fiat and then all of a sudden, you know, like, what's 3%? That's 30 billion every time $1 trillion got spent. So I think my math's right. Yeah, that's correct. So yeah, it's very possible. So let's just look at this noise. You've been hearing all about Shiba Inu lately, but can't figure out how to get some. We got you. It's complicated and confusing until now. Now you can just buy it at an ATM. And look at that cute little dog. Why would you not want to buy some? So that's just a quick little video. I'll show you what the price is doing real quick. The price is not doing too good right now, but that's fine. You just pick up more right here. It did break out of this little wedge pattern, but it kind of came back down. But until it breaks below this line, there's not much cause for concern. Kind of tapped that line, but like instantly. So that's why I make these support lines a lot, because it really does what you think it's going to do. Like it caught right at that line and started going back up again. So say it goes to here and then goes down, it'll probably catch support there. It has been respecting support lines ever since this breakout, because if you look at this, zoom back to the chart a little bit, here was the first major support line, never broke it, not once, hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then you got this support line, hit it 1, 2, 3 times. It is respecting the support, and if it does break that, we still have this, we still have that. So like we're pretty safe above 2,600 right now. So it's not that big of a risk considering that. And the thing is, you might be like, oh, well, it could break down this line. Yeah, it could, but there's a lot of support. There's a lot of people with money orders right here. You got to remember that. These lines aren't just imaginary fantasy lines where you think something's going to happen because there's a line there. It's people mentally put buy orders there. There is a significant, like that's why my charts, I got things that I use, like I use Bollinger Bands. I even got this little indicator when it's going to drop. But I don't like to cloud up. I don't like to cloud it up for these videos. I like to make the charts very clear so any person that's not really good at trading can see what I'm doing. And if you are good at trading, then that's fine. You can use more indicators to understand what I'm doing even more. Like one indicator I will show you right here is the that I like to use is the stochastic. This is a special indicator that I bought. But whenever you see this green line past the red, you see it dip a little. Whenever you see the green line past the red on the down, it goes up a little. This is dynamite. You want to get more into expanding your knowledge on these kind of indicators, because all you need to know is like 5 indicators and you'll learn a lot. So that's going to be this video for this week. There's big news with whales buying Shiba Inu. So, hop on board if you want. This is not investment advice, so do what you want and hit that subscribe button, baby. Woo!